Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Truebill, Rocket Money, review my usage experience. Truebill, Rocket Money, review my usage experience offers a subscription service designed to help users identify and cancel unwanted subscriptions, as well as negotiate lower bills for services like internet and cable. Its main purpose is to save users money on recurring expenses, targeting individuals and families looking to manage their finances more effectively. Key features include subscription tracking, bill negotiation, and potential savings alerts. Their website provides details on their various plans and features. They emphasize ease of use and transparency in their pricing. They claim to have a high success rate in negotiating lower bills and boast about saving users significant amounts of money annually. The service seems to rely on an algorithm that scans your accounts for recurring charges and flags potential areas for savings. Availability is widespread, though it requires linking your bank accounts. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Truebill, Rocket Money. Getting started was a breeze. The initial setup involved securely linking my bank accounts and credit cards, which initially felt slightly nerve-wracking, but the site is very clear about its security measures. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard clearly displayed all my active subscriptions, categorized and color-coded for easy understanding. I was particularly impressed by how quickly it identified a forgotten streaming service I hadn't used in months. I used their negotiation feature on my internet bill, and while they didn't get me the absolute lowest rate possible, they managed to shave off $15 per month, a win in my book. The whole process was remarkably smooth and required minimal effort from my side. I had a quick question about a specific charge and their support responded within 24 hours via email, which was fantastic. One minor drawback was the occasional slight delay in updating account balances, but it wasn't a major issue. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated savings alerts. I appreciated the proactive approach to identifying potential areas for savings. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Truebill. It saved me money and has made managing my subscription significantly easier. That's my overview of Truebill, Rocket Money, review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.